start it so they
How come
so
tree
we're
might
starting.
echoes?
Started it.
Oh yeah.
How come
Hey there, guys.
like echoes? Didn't we explain this earlier?
Yeah, guys. So this is a different challenge. The one when you only get the guns off the wall. Challenge.
No, the pistols. Let's try the pistol challenge.
Wait. Where did Tanner leave? Anyway, yeah. Okay then. I guess pistols now. And I'm going to invite Tanner.
Do you want to do pistols or do you want to do only guns off the wall?
I'm going to try pistols. Let's try pistols. I think he left the game as well.
Fuck it.
He's in the game still.
Invite him. Oh crap, I'm weasel.
Yeah, I'm inviting him.
Open the thing.
He does not know what challenge we're doing.
This here.
Does not know what challenge we're doing. He does not know what challenge we're doing.
It's where we'll find the parts for the plant.
Tanner,
We're
Tanner.
doing pistols only.
Yeah, we can only have pistols this round, this game.
So the ray gun,
It's a pistol.
starting handgun, the
Why
B23R, and
Yeah,
Why pistols though?
because that's a challenge.
absolutely.
Alright, I'm opening the first door. Don't kill no more. Go feed the first dog. Do not kill no more. Take him out to the dog, hurry.
What is the tree saying? He's lagging.
Yeah, you're right.
Alright, hold on. Alright. Get that. Am I lagging? Yes. Alright. Feed the dogs. Feed the puppies. Feed the puppies.
We need to put these parts together. That's important.
Oh, help. Oh, I got it. Never mind.
You're fine.
I thought we were like... Tanner, go get the warning key.
Why?
Because if it goes...
It's like they all
Can someone go get the enemy?
What do you mean I don't?
Oh my god.
Tanner.
What?
Please. Dude, we're asking you nicely. We don't even want to fight with you no more and you're getting like mad.
What the fuck? I'm going to disappear right out of that truck.
Oh, Wiener Mitchell. Oh, I got me the PT.2 or whatever.
Well, I already got it first.
Well, I'm gonna go get the
sorry,
warning
that
key.
I'm allowed
Well,
to
you
talk,
could
but
talk.
your video's gonna have to deal with it.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna.
Wait for him to get to the dog.
I'll leave an eye for an eye.
Warning key? No. Warning key.
I remember when this first came out, the first day it came out, we're like, what does the dog do? Oh yeah, the dog did that. Let him go to the dog, Blake. Come on. Oh, just let him go to the dog. Let him go to the dog.
Okay, let's go, little fella. Let's go to the dog.
Really? I didn't even do anything to you.
No, I don't question it.
Okay.
I'm gonna survive on my own.
Oh yeah, as soon as I join, everybody's gonna be such a freaking jerk to me. I even said I'm sorry. You didn't do anything. You never do anything, right? You're always innocent.
Oh my gosh, stop pulling on Miss Griffith.
Huh? Stop spinning like Miss Griffith.
Stop pulling on Miss Griffith.
Whoa,
You're so
that's cool.
innocent. It's
He
what
never
she always
says
does.
that.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Guys, come here. I am witnessing an awesome thing. They were like, there's like an insta kill and a double kill, like put together, and it looked like a new freak, and it looked legit. I accidentally grabbed it though.
Look at what I got, Trey. What'd you get? You better not have got my. Oh, Reagan.
Out of my fucking way.
EX ammo!
Tree have the best connection and down there with like 3 bars.
I don't know, because Tracy's using the internet. Or anybody else is using it.
Yeah, I don't understand what you
Maybe I'm not rich like you two. I'm sorry, I'm not perfect.
See, now he's doing this crap. Now I'm all rich.
Huh? You guys are rich. It's not funny.
Just like in my outer space adventure comic.
Man, I want that. It's a Galil.
Well, you can't take it. He took it.
I didn't take it.
I just saw you take it.
Well, I'm not gonna use it until round 10, like you said.
Oh, I just got a blundergat. Oh, we have to survive till round 10.
But I'm not gonna use it until round 10.
How I go?
Oh my god, he doesn't get the concept, Tree.
What do you mean we have to survive to round 10? You said we have to survive to round 10.
Round 10 pistols to beat our challenge.
Okay.
See how far we can go.
Oh, I thought.
You're never gonna get it.
Well, you guys said you can use any weapon you want after the freaking 10 thing. But not. You said it earlier when I first joined.
I really treat.
We have the upper hand, but trust me.
No, maybe when he was talking. Maybe when you were talking about the 2-box challenge, maybe.
No, he said it as soon as I joined the party back. You're like, we're doing the 2 pistols. After we survive round 10, we can use any gun.
I got a Galil.
Quote for quote.
I never said any gun. I just said
Quote for quote. That's exactly what you said.
I'll check the video later.
Here it is. Wasn't so bad. It's only ever in one of these places.
I wish my connection would get better. I might as well trade this out for a pistol then.
You got a blundergat.
God damn it!
I finally got my phone.
You started it, and if not you, somebody sure did.
Sounded like a bee right there.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. My phone messed it up. It's hilarious.
Ah!
Oh my god, now he's screaming like a freaking...
I can't hear y'all. Y'all are all robotish. Ah!
Oh my god, stop
Hold on,
yelling.
let me fix my mic. Is that better?
Yes.
Oh, okay, I can hear y'all now.
Wait from your face. Like, scream like oh my god, I'm...
And then he's like, where are we bugs? Watch later on, he's gonna be like, why are we bugs?
I don't even think you guys...
He lagged right there and I didn't hear what he said.
Don't want to hang out with me.
I don't know what he's saying.
I know, he's lagging hardcore.
Ah, I'm lagging hardcore! Oh my god! I know you guys are just joking with me, so I'm gonna yell! Ah!
Oh, you were actually lagging. I'm muting him. I'm muting him.
No need to mute him, I kicked him. Come on, there! Oh, well, I can't hear you. I'll be right back.
Good time to stack.
Oh, look, first.
Muted him anyways.
Now would be a good time to try making some progress.
Good. I accidentally took that. Sorry about that.
Dude, come on, I need to hit it. Pick anything.
Oh my god, I took it again. I'll just go buy the B-23R again.
Oh, I got a miss 12. Well, I kicked him and he's gonna be like, oh, he's gonna be using it to Leon, ruining the whole thing, watch.
Are you allowed to kick him from the game?
I don't think you can.
He's got your babies.
Oh, wow, he would. I'm gonna go try to get him in a minute. Where's the box at?
Wow, I threw a grenade when I was down. Pretty skillful.
Where's the box at?
I don't know.
Fall down now, later.
You want me to just end the game?
No, it's fine. We'll just
No,
die. We'll just
I don't
fall
wanna
and
deal
let him
with it.
die. Dude, I have no ammo. So I'm just throwing my grenade.
Dude, you won't stop following me.
Probably
Is he in your face?
No, he's not. But I know.
Freaking lucky.
Yeah, I knew he was gonna do that.
What did he do?
He's doing so I won't revive my body. Not my baby. He said something when he was lagging there. He said something about friends.
Well, that went.
So he's sending me a message, but
You do the same for me, son.
that, or he's gonna start spamming me again. He wants me to invite him.
Let him die. And then go revive him.
It's too late, 'cause I've already invited him.
You invited him?
Yeah, he's gonna start spamming me again if I don't.
Well, I muted him, so. Cash money, butthole, my butthole.
Tanner, are you gonna stop yelling? Oh, dude, he's down to one bar. Oh,
I wasn't freaking young, like freaking always.
Did he just say he wasn't
I
yelling?
can't hear you. Can't hear you, Tanner. And
because
you
you're lagging.
Yeah, you know what's funny because we could.
I think he unplugged his mic.
It's funny because he didn't believe us.
Hello?
Just let him watch the video, and he'll find out.
What do you mean I don't believe you?
You don't believe us that you were lagging, and you're like, oh no.
Okay, fine, I believe you.
And you got my baby. Can I have my baby? Did you get him during the fire cell? That was a fail 360 afterlife. Oh, boss one.
Not to get perks.
Yes.
I don't understand what I did.
Can I just stop bringing it up, please?
But why did y'all kick me if mine was lagging? I could've fixed it.
But you were yelling at the thing.
It sure feels good to get a break.
No, we're flying.
The box is in the infirmary, that's what it is.
Box that?
The infirmary.
Dude, I need a max ammo.
I don't.
I have ammo on both of my weapons.
But you used your what guns do you have?
PT.2 and 5 in the wheel.
Are we allowed to get perks?
Yes. Hunter, over here, help me. You're a zombie. Get him in the pistol. Run, 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 run. Ah, ah.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see him.
That would happen to me. I get down and as soon as I'm down, max ammo. Of course I can. Oh, look, there's that nuke. Of course. Get yourself and get me. And of course I didn't get the max ammo. You open the door, Tanner. You have one thing.
Where's the door at?
Crap! Like, do you mind getting the last music part?
Doing what? We can build.
Grab the last music part over there in the back.
It's echoing. Wow, that was a crazy echo.
That was. Where else could it be inside of here? It's not in the closet. I got Blake, stop that.
Sure, you want to turn down your mic just a little bit so it won't echo very loud.
There? Could you hear me still? Stop, Blake. That's
Thanks.
over. Okay, could they still hear you? Check.
Yeah, I can still hear you.
So it's not in the cafeteria. Where else? I know where.
But what we drink is affected by the race. We may not be
Bye-bye. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna make it too far with the pistols only because they run out of ammo fast.
Alright, so we can stop recording
I got
after
the ray gun, so I'm fine.
Gosh, where else could they be? Where else could it be? There's a way to get there. That's the way to get there. That's the way to get there. Think. Dun. That was fella. Get it. Where? Papela.
We gotta go!
That would happen to me.
Oh, I'm coming.
Oh. Can I climb up there, I guess?
You got here just in
Screams again.
You
I'm
do
sorry, I
thank
can't control
me,
that.
right?
It scared the crap out of me, so...
That's it! I'm all out!
Yeah, we're not gonna make it too far with the pistols only.
I am. Not y'all, but...
Well,
Hurry
I
up,
need to
hurry
find the
up,
dang
hurry
box. That's the point of that. To be able to find the box.
I have a good pistol. Probably if we go outside near the gondola, we could probably look to see where the box is.
Yeah, it's in, like in that little, like, you have to open that one place under the, right there, like, next to the Houdini. That's where it is. A retriever. Retriever.
It's easy, I'll open it. I have the most points.
Yeah, that's what I need. Someone with points.
Well, it's open.
Blake, is that you? Blake?
I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, maybe you have to start a new video. Start one. Now that it's going pretty slow.
How you stop doing that?
Oh, that's the point. We'll make some videos.
Once we get to round 10, let's end the game. Because this is gonna be hardcore.
And then we
You
could,
can't turn off the Roxio.
after,
Okay, let's go play some multiplayer.
oh my god, I wanna go do some, I wanna do the main mission. I wanna play
We can
it.
record.
No, I don't like recording.
What's Tanner? You're being an Adrian right now.
Wow, okay. I'm being a Miss Griffith, I'm being an Adrian. What else am I being? A fag, a fat ass, I know.
Enter?
Oh!
Yeah, sure, okay.
No, but that's usual for you.
No, thanks. I appreciate it. I like being called a Tanner. More of a compliment to me.
That's your name, isn't it?
Told me, I don't care anymore.
Tanner, it's because Tanner, you say all these things that you say and you don't actually say it. So, yeah.
Yeah, no, I don't, that's why I don't care. Because I say bad stuff to you, you can say.
Okay.
What's gonna happen?
And I thought you said you opened it.
I did, I opened the underground thing, there's the mystery box. Not lying!
Because it's not open over here.
When you go downstairs,
Okay, I'm in the laundry room. Okay, and the door's not open.
I wasn't talking about the laundry room.
Talking about the other one. I'm sorry.
Oh my god, Tanner. Well, I said the one to the laundry room.
Meant the one right next to the spiral room.
I said the laundry room, like the,
I got the extension.
Hey, please don't hug the box, then.
The pistol.
Come on, guys. All we gotta do is beat the trap and then we're done.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna try to do something.
Where's tree?
I'm going, Tanner. I know which one you mean.
Okay, well, do you want me to start a new video so we can keep going or no?
No.
I mean, I just don't want to do the pistols one. That's why I want to do the walls only.
Okay, well, after we get to round 10, I'm ending it. Just saying.
Yes.
Yeah, we're executioner brothers.
Yeah, I think you should end it and start a new video.
Should.
Okay, well, if you can cover me.
Well, it's like at the slow part of the round, so yeah, just go ahead.